This is the video guide dedicated to help you get rid of the scary pop-ups that are coming from the site chillperry.com. So chillperry.com is a new junk site. It now attacks Google Chrome, and it may also attack other browsers. Chillperry.com claims that it is some way or another related to the well-known security program, but it is not related to any decent program. Instead, pop-ups by chillperry.com could be the trace of some adware on your computer. If you see these fake alerts by chillperry.com, disregard them and don't install anything that they suggest. What I recommend you to do is carefully researching the system with the help of reliable security software. My recommendation is that you do that with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and then start investigating your device with its help to detect and eliminate other possibly hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.